Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you are doing well. So, Google has launched its own AI coding tool that is Firebase Studio. Okay, so it is an agentic cloud-based development environment that help you build your app quickly. You don't have to code much here. You just give your command and it will give you ready-made code and you can use that one. And of course, in case you want to modify everything, whatever do in your local editor, you'll have that feature. Okay, so let's get started and to see the demo. You see here it's updated 3 days ago. Okay, so I will come up here on the getting started with studio. Then, so first thing, you don't have to worry around the sign up and the sign in process because since it's a Google product, it will be working fine with your normal Gmail account. Then after coming to this page, you can see here you can run. Okay, so again come here on the click on this logo Firefox. Now you can click here on the get started. Now again you'll have to click here on the try Firebase Studio. So now this is my old product. I just tried with creating a profile page. So I will simply delete this one. So for deleting, I will have to type delete and click on delete. Okay, so it will not directly just give you the code. It will also give you an option to create your prototype. That means the information, what information all you needed, it will give you in a advance key what this particular app will be doing, the Firebase, what step will be following, what all the options will have. Okay, so I am going to add here the prototype. Sorry. And let's see, start coding on app. In case you have to go with Go programming language, the Python, Java, .NET. So you see here the list of all the programming languages. And in case you want to move ahead with just HTML one, you can also go for that one. Okay. So here go this Flutter, Angular, Next.js, Node, this Astro, MongoDB, React. Now let me ask, can you code me create a project for my personal information in HTML. Let me try in the HTML and what it says. It will have page about me, my skills, my resume, my certificates, contact us, etc. It should be responsive. Okay, so you just have to put like this. And the moment I will click here on the prototype with AI, I will make a copy of it. So I will just copy. So after clicking this, it will give you the complete prototype. So how it will be coding, that means how this Firebase Studio will be moving ahead. Okay, so you see here, so this is my command and it's a okay. So here is the plan. So prototype basically means it will give you plan. So it will create a home page that will introduction, then we'll have a skill showcase, interactive resume, certificate gallery, contact information, and it will also give you the color combination here. Okay, so color it picks like this, three color, and layout for typing clean and professional. Okay, and in case you have to edit something here, you can go for that one. Okay, so suppose you don't want this color, so you can make some correction here like this. Okay, so you can make correction like this. So yellow, it changed to yellow. Now save, and you see here you will also find the change. Now if you click on this prototype this app, it will start creating your app here. So I will click on this. Got it? So you see here it had started coding, and on the right side you see file changes, src app, page.tsx, this. So CSS will have, so blueprint.md. So information like this will have here. Okay. So it is taking time in creating, and of course it will take time based on the script or the number of pages it has to create. Okay. Now you see it say welcome to my personal pulse. So a showcase of my skills, experience, and professional journey. Okay, so skill showcase, it say web development percent, UI UX design 80% proficiency, backend 70%, interactive resume. In case you can click on it, it will download. Okay, certificate gallery you see here. Got it? So it will giving you the combination of React. mm, okay, so it's sort of React project. You see you can check the responsiveness and you find yes it is responsive. Okay, so bottom section is not responsive, so you can write that one. So in case you have to write something, you can edit the code here. So after clicking on that edit option, it will open you in this sections. So you'll also see here the document. Here you see it is also creating the document. Got it? Now, so you'll have options here using the Gemini. You can change, run a unit test, add a dependency, which process you are running. So if you press the simply this slash, you see here generate code. Okay. So add one more page or section, we say, about my project. Okay. So if you type this and press enter, it will also start adding these project sections. Okay. So could you please specify the file you want to add a new on homepage itself? Yeah, you can write so that everything remains in sync, like we have about me, contact us. Okay, so you just have to enter. So I just type here. You can add wherever you want. Okay, so it is adding in app tsx. Now you see here page.tsx you will find. So under app here page.tsx, you see the sections are here. Okay, so it is automatically adding into the right file, and if you update click on, it will also ask you to review your code before updating the file. If you click on review, it will give you the option here where it is adding. So if you click on update, then only it will be added there. Now you see it is updated. If you come to the web now and refresh, you will find here certificate JS, React, contact information, and you can also open in a new tab here. This one. So just copy, and I will open here in my new tab. Got it? So you see here, this is my project section added. Let's just see here a selection of projects, it will be added. Now again go back. So generate, add some project in list ULLI format. It must be responsive and nice UI. Okay, so we'll have to write something like this. So let's see what it says. So in my project section, okay, so you see here, this is simply a chatting. So you are just chatting, and this is giving you, this is doing the job. So you see here, you will have to put lots of effort here by creating, to create these stuffs like creating environment, creating components, hooks, everything it is creating on the fly. So whatever command it will give, again I will review first. Okay, so you see here, it is adding here, and it is doing whatever I have written. So I want that ULLI form, that is why it has added here. Okay, so I will click on update file. So it is updated now, and if you come here and refresh, you see the updated one. Got it? So under my projects, you see a selection this, and this is under ULLI. Now add two more LI. It looks nice. So it just added one. I want two more LI. Got it? So it will again update this section. So update file. So you see here, it's just added after LI one more and one more. Again, I will come up here and reload. Okay, so under my project, I can see the AI assistance for developer e-commerce platform. Okay. Now, so again, so my site doesn't looks completely responsive. So you see here some issue like it is touching at the end of left and right. This whole, so you just have to give the command whole application doesn't looks responsive. Please fix with best practices. Okay, so I just press enter and let's see. Okay, so it is updating this file. Now if I come to review the changes, it will simply open me this file, and this has been added. So update file, got it. And if I come here and refresh, so I don't see much changes. Again I will type, make a space of 20 pixel from left and right as content are getting touch from both sides. Okay, so whatever the issue you see here, you just have to type here. You see, I just type this one, and again we'll see. and update. Again, I will come up here. Okay, so now you see it looks nice. Got it? So whatever you made here, you just have to type the command. So now you see the contact form doesn't look nice. So you have to, suppose you have to fix this one. So you just have to type here. Okay, so generate content. This section doesn't not looking nice. Just to make it more better interface. Okay, you just have to press enter after typing this. So whatever the challenges you see here, you just have to mention. It will code for you. Okay, so now you see what all Firebase is going to do in the future. You can just imagine. So more developers job going to be eliminated for sure in coming future. So again, I will review the changes, and of course, it has added some sections and update file. Got it? So again, I will come to refresh this page, and let's see. Yes, so it's better than the previous one. And I want to add one more section. Suppose I had to add generate, add footer section saying copy, right at, take again. So this is my channel. Let's see whether it is doing my command or not. Yeah, so you can see here the review changes where it is adding. So on page it adds an update. Okay, so come here and refresh. And if you come to the bottom, it added. Got it? So you see here how quickly it is following. So for doing just this change, you'll have to go which file you have to open. You'll have to take care of file. You have to remember where I have added. If you don't remember, you'll have to search whether after this it will go in which file and how you like. Got it? So header also doesn't look much better. So I can also go for that. So download is not working. You can also add some URL here and it will give you the download link there. So you can simply create what as per your command, whatever you have the imagination in your mind, you can create by just typing here in a layman language. Got it? Now here I will add me a nice looking header logo. So just type this one and let's see how it behaves. So could you please more header logo would like? For example, do you have a specific image? Yes, I have image. I have image. So you see here there is option to upload. So I will upload. Got it? So let's see. This is the image. Not this one. Let's see this. Yeah. So this is the one I am going to try. Yes. Please use this one. Use this one. So I just press enter and let's see how it will work. I am unable to access local. Okay, and let me give the direct URL of that logo. And so for now, of course, it has the lesser capability, but in coming future, it will have everything will be required. You don't have to worry much around the coding. So everything will be done through this. AI tool itself. Okay, so use this logo. Let's see whether it is able to use or not. No worry. So you can just use my name as a logo. Got it? So this is how you can give a command, you can review the change. Here it is adding the name update, and if you come here and refresh, you will see it is added. Okay, so it added. And if you ask for the placement, so give me placement so that I can add low. Got it? Yes. In place of my name, and use my name as LT. Got it? So you see here it starts updating. So this is the placement you see. So it will be replacing this code with this. Let's do it. Okay, so you see how quickly it create me a site about me. But it also saying, so this will have to replace with this. Okay, so please replace generate. Let's see. URL of the image it is asking. So let me try giving this one. Yeah. So okay, no issue. So there are some limitations as of now, but in the coming feature it will be overcome for the sure. Okay, so you can see here where we are going to be in a coming feature. Now you see it added in the placeholder. Got it? So if you come here and update code, come to see this site and reload, and you'll have that placement. Okay, so you see it just replaced. So you simply have to put your URL here. So let me try directly adding the SRC. Okay, so I just added, but it is not working. Yeah, so there are some options you'll have to try around. So image should be here. So in case you can suppose this is not handling the images as of now. So if you want, you can upload here. Got it? Now, so generator complete. Now let me try exporting this complete code. Complete code in a zip file. And let's see how I can download. Okay, so it say I am unable to directly download the code for you. However, since this environment allow you to access and modify the files, you should be able to manually copy the content of each file and save them. Okay, so for now, you don't have much facility. You can export everything in a one go. So what it say? It say you can open the file and you can copy the content and you can paste it locally. So if you would like a list of all the files in a project I can provide, this will help you ensure you copy everything. Okay, so give me the list of all the files. All the files need to be copied. Okay, so if you press this one, you'll have the list of all the files. So you see here, so what it is doing, you'll also see the steps. Got it? So you have to do everything, this one, this src app. So the complete src folder will have to export plus readme component. These are the outside src. Got it? And if you come here and right click, it will giving you the option to upload. Okay, so suppose there I have to upload image so that I can use here. So I will click on this. We'll try uploading. Let me try uploading the logo. Okay, so let's see, this is the file. Yeah, so now it appears here. I am going to rename logo.png and I can go to page. I can add here logo.png. I can save. Now if you come here and reload, so slash will not be here. Logo dot. So suppose that gives me, I just put it the wrong one. So logo.png, png not loading and giving is, please fix this. Okay, so let's see how whether it is fixing or not. And app then logo.png. Okay, so you see, just by mistake you just remove the app slash and error is coming here and not loading, and you see here failed invalid url. So you just have to simply type. You don't have to much think around how it will be fixed. Okay, so I will update this one and try. Okay, so let me try this one. Refresh. Okay, so I will also so I'm not going to use this. So I will just simply paste here and say, okay, so it seems like image component having trouble. So import image from next dot image. Got it? So it added here under page, and you can review if you want. Yeah, and import, upload, update file. Now you can give it a try. Come here and refresh, and again you see an issue here. NXT image, and it's not loading again. Now issue not coming on file, but image not loading. Okay, so you can give the command like this and it will start fixing. Whatever the command it will give, it will start fixing here. Okay, so it say MB this and move to public. So basically it just move your logo.png from here to the public directory we have here. Got it? So run this command again. So sometimes you'll find the issue in running command. So cannot move src app logo to this. No such file or directory. So I will simply type this one, and here I will paste. Fix this. So exact location is, okay. So I don't know the coding in this app and this language. I am just simply giving the command here. Okay, and again it is failing. Why I can't use this? Let's use this one. Let's see. So it is again updating here, preparing file. Okay, so UI can, not sure whatever all is updating this, but this is how you can develop your app. You see the quickly it has been created, and if I refresh this, I should see this logo here. Okay, so this is how it gives me here the logo, and you see it declares on top. Okay, so this is how quickly you can create this app with no coding knowledge by simply using Firebase Studio. We just try adding the logo here by using the import feature. So how quickly I can import from my local system. The logo I just added here. Okay. So now I'll try exporting everything. So since you are working with this project, so everything the code will have within this SRC. Got it? So I will simply right click on this to export, and I see the options here like the rename options, download, upload, copy path, copy relative path, and download and zip and download. So I will click on this zip and download because I need the complete code. So I will click on this, and you see I have the code. Got it? So I have this complete code, and I can run through. I can run it locally or host it on my own server, and I can run this project. Okay, so let me try extracting this and see what all it contains. So ideally, it should contain everything, whatever here within the SRC, it will come up everything like AI will have the app, then components, then hooks, then leaves. So everything should have here. So under SRC, I can see hook, I can see AI, yes. So everything I have, components, the app. So all the coding will come up here under app. So under AI, will have here the AI assistants, the okay. So this is how this is going to be kill lots of job in the coming future. Of course, the mostly the developer will be killed.